Students, this is a very important question of class 9 of exercise 8.2. Question is, 8th question this is, if sine theta is equal to 4 upon 5, then find the value of 4 tan minus 5 cos upon sec plus 4 cot. Okay, this is the question. We need to find the value of this by putting this value. Earlier what we did is if we have one trigonometric ratios, we are trying to find out other trigonometric ratios, but in this question we'll not do that. We'll put this trigonometric ratio in this question. How? I'll tell you. First, as we know, this tan is sine upon cos, we know. Okay, we can write tan is equal to sine upon cos, sec is equal to 1 upon cos, and cot is equal to cos upon sine. Whatever the question is, we need to try to bring this question in a form of sine and cos. Okay, so it will reduce our efforts. If we put these values in this, we got 4 in place of 10 sine upon cos minus 5 cos is already there, upon sec is 1 upon cos, plus 4 cos upon sine, as cot is equal to cos upon sine. Okay, now if you take LCM, this will be cos. Look at this part only. In denominator there will be cos only, and numerator 4 sine minus 5, as there is no denominator means 1, so this will be minus 5 cos square. Okay, and this upon sine is there. Look at this part now. LCM would be cos into sine, and this part sine plus 4 cos square. Okay, try to solve this one with your own, to means if you want to very clear about this. And okay, now if you solve further, this is 4 sine minus 5 cos square. This cos and this cos will be cancelled, because this will multiply by this and this will multiply by this, so cos cancel. So what we have left? Sine. This will be multiplied by this term, and the remainder denominator will be sine plus 4 cos square. Now what we'll do is, we'll put the value of, we break all this thing in one thing, that is sine, in the values of sine. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so we'll put that value, 4 sine minus 5, in place of cos square theta we'll put 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so 1 minus sine square theta, and this sine plus 4 cos square means 1 minus sine square. Okay, so if you see this formula, we know this formula, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If we take this one that side, or if we take this cos square this side, so this cos square theta is equal to what? 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and why we are not taking theta here? Because in the question it is not given that theta, but theta is what? Theta is an angle, so it may be anything. Do not worry about this thing that is theta is not there. Theta will be, means it this angles could be anything. Okay, in the last part we'll put the values. Okay, do not confuse on that part. Now if we put the value of sine theta is equal to 4 upon 5, which is given in the question, so this will be 4 into sine, 4 in place of sine we will put 4 upon 5 minus 5 bracket 1 minus, this is sine square, so we need to square this one, 4 upon 5 square bracket close, then this big bracket close, and here we have sine, so 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 plus 4 1 upon 1 minus, this was sine square, so 4 upon 5 square, right? If we solve this, this comes to 4 into 4 16, 16 upon 5 minus 5. If we solve this, 1 minus 4 square, that is 16, 5 square, that is 25, close bracket, 4 upon 5, this denominator 4 upon 5 plus 4 1 minus, if you solve this, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Okay, if you further solve this, 16 upon 5 minus 5 into 9 upon 25. If you solve this one, you will got 9 upon 25 into 4 upon 5 upon 4 upon 5 plus 4 in bracket 9 upon 25. Okay. If you solve that one last step, you will find this. Okay. Next, 16 upon 5 minus 9 upon 5. Okay. Why 9 upon 5? This 5 and this 25. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So 9 upon 5 only. 4 upon 5 left. Okay. We'll take from denominator 4 upon 5 common. So 4 upon 5 is, if we take common, this part 1 left and this part 9 upon 5 left. Okay. If you solve this one, 4 upon 5 cancel. If you solve this one, this will be same denominator, so this will be 16 minus 9, 16 minus 1, 9 will be 7 upon 5 upon 5 plus 9, that will be 14 upon 5. Next is 5 cancel, 7 upon 14 is equal to, if you solve this one, this will be 1 upon 2. That would be your answer. This particular question you need to solve like this only. If you try other method, it may take more time. Practice this question 3-4 times, okay, and try the questions which is given is in example also. So that actually that will practice you more, and for this kind of question you'll able to solve this. Okay, I'll give you few more questions. Okay, after this we'll understand how to put the values. Okay, thank you for now. Bye.